A client once said to me, "I did everything they told me to, and I'm still not well." Doctors, specialists, medications, tests, and yet fatigue lingered, pain returned, and the body truly never recovered. If this sounds familiar, then this video is for you, because if 2026 is just another year of you trying to manage your symptoms, then get that out of your head. We want to make some change. 2026 can finally be the year where you can recover and restore your body from the inside out. Hey, it's Asina here, sickle cell warrior, holistic nutritionist, energy worker, and registered massage therapist, helping you lessen your nagging symptoms so that you can reduce hospital visits, medications, flare-ups, so that you can live life to the fullest with holistic therapies and a holistic lifestyle. Research consistently shows that chronic illness is rarely just caused by only one factor alone. It's usually an accumulation of stress, nutrient depletion, inflammation, poor detoxification, nervous system overload, etc.
According to the CDC, over 60% of adults live with at least one chronic condition, yet most treatments focus on symptom suppression, not restoration.
Approximately 44% of adults in Canada have at least one chronic disease, and these conditions account for 67% of all deaths.
The body whispers before it screams, and so we must be mindful of this, because there are signs or symptoms in this case that tells us something is off. And just like in nutritional symptomatology, there are signs or symptoms that are related to nutrition. Just for example, if you have white marks on the nails, that may be an indication of low calcium or low zinc, which causes a lot of other symptoms. And before even getting into all of that, it's just important to be mindful of the symptoms that you are experiencing to address them. So let 2026 be the year that you start listening earlier, listening to the whispers. I worked with someone who pushed through exhaustion for years because they quote unquote looked fine. Their labs were quote unquote normal, but their body was depleted. Once we addressed digestive absorption, stress hormones, inflammatory triggers, their energy returned. Not because we added more supplements, but because we removed what was blocking their healing. And that's the difference between managing health and understanding it. Look, I get it. I've been there. Living with sickle cell anemia since I was 3 months old, I know what it's like to fight invisible battles every single day. Hospital stays, endless prescriptions, temporary relief, but never real answers, until I realized that my healing isn't just going to come entirely from a medical approach. It had to come from understanding my body, what it truly needs, and how to restore it from the inside out. Two people can eat the same diet, take the same supplements, follow the same routines, and their outcomes are completely different. Why? Biochemistry is personal. Studies in functional and integrative health show that nutrient needs can vary based on genetics, gut health, stress, inflammation can vary from person to person, as well as detox capacity is not equal. So remember that healing happens when the body is supported and not forced. So here are some life upgrading practices for 2026 that help to support your body. Number 1, declutter your space. Harvard research shows clutter increases cortisol levels. Clearing physical space literally frees mental energy. Did you know that? Number 2, regulate the nervous system daily. Chronic stress keeps the body in survival mode, where digestion, repair, and immunity shut down. Even 5 to 10 minutes of deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, allowing healing to begin. Number 3, eat for cellular repair and not trends. Food is information. Ultra-processed foods increase inflammation and oxidative stress at the cellular level. Whole foods rich in minerals and antioxidants support blood health, oxygen delivery, and immune balance. Number 4, address root causes, not just symptoms. Pain is not random. Fatigue is not weakness. They are messages. Remember that symptoms are the body's language. Listen to the whispers before it begins to shout. Number 5, reduce chemical and medication load responsibly. Research shows long-term medication use can deplete magnesium, B vitamins, and the gut flora. So supporting detox pathways helps the body recover and rebalance, but remember to do this with guidance. Number 6, intentional movement. Movement improves circulation, lymphatic flow, and oxygenation, keys for cellular vitality. Number 7, protect your energy. Chronic emotional stress fuels inflammation. Not everything deserves access to your nervous system. Boundaries are a biological necessity. Number 8, personalization is the breakthrough. When people stop guessing and start understanding their body, healing accelerates. This is where transformation happens. Most systems treat symptoms, but your body doesn't just have symptoms, it communicates through them. So when your digestion slows, your energy dips, your mind fogs, or your sleep disappears, this is your body sending you messages. And these are messages that most of us are taught to ignore. That's where I come in. For over 2 decades, I have helped thousands of clients uncover the possible root cause of their chronic symptoms and not just mask them. And most of them were told, oh, everything's okay, your lab tests look normal, you might just have to live with this, or it might all just be in your head. But once we worked with their unique biochemistry and uncovered their weakest link to know their root cause, then suddenly things began to shift and their health transformed. By the end of 2026, yes, we're going into the beginning, but by the end of 2026, you don't have to be perfect, but you can be much stronger, much more clearer, and much more resilient than you are today. Healing starts from within. When you're ready, your first step would be to schedule a discovery session so that we can figure out your weakest link to get you closer to where you want to be with your health through holistic therapies. Your body has been asking for your attention. Let this be the year you answer.